35 meters away. Nothing happening. Alright, starting to get a little torching with the breeze here. We'll see if it picks up. Same spot. These fuels in here have had some preheating, so we'll see. I think I'm feeling a breeze upslope about 2 to 3 miles an hour maybe. Okay, here's the tree I was watching. And I'm going to move up slope. We're starting to get some torching in that group. Wouldn't call that an average flame length, but excuse me there, I'll be back. Trying to get a look at the flames on the ground as this thing starts to take off a little bit, but I think the wind is right over my back at about 4 miles an hour. There's another one torching over here.
Shalom, blanket.
Wind again is picking up. I think the flames on the ground are
Go ahead, CD.
3
I was
feet.
just wondering how you guys are doing up there. Assume everybody's safe, and does it look like you'll be able to hold what was lit off so far? Yeah, we can hold what we got so far. Just to let you know where it jumps the line. It is backing against the wind, backing down the hill on both sides of the line.
Oh.
Okay, so it's on the north side of the line too now, kind of backing downhill. Do you have fire on both sides of you?
I think those flame lengths on the ground are 2 feet. Wind a little más suave, probably 3 miles an hour. Here's a creative idea. If we could get a Kestrel that will log wind speeds in real time, we could download to the computer and sync them up with the time on the tape here. Break. Getting the breeze here. What would you say that wind is? 5 miles an hour.
5.
You would?
5 to 8 miles an hour wind, no?
Yeah? Yeah, I think it is gusting up there a little higher. A little hard to see here, but I'll give it a try. I think those flames are about 4 feet. Still on the same slope here. Looks like we're in hardwoods, but just behind there's black spruce, and so that's why I'm sampling here.
So we're pretty retarded in between the alpha site and the fire line perimeter right now, but it is within about 500 feet, kind of parallel in it.
Okay, copy. I didn't get the time frame when we needed to put people in there. Can you repeat that?
Oh, I guess, you know, you should be getting people up there in the next,
Some
within
backing
an
fire.
hour or so.
Same time, same move. This is the spot over. The backing down of the spot over. Winds light 3 miles an hour. I think those flame lengths, oops, I can even find them now. Flame lengths are about 4 inches.